ORCA series motors feature a deceptively simple design. They are fully integrated. All drivers, sensors, and controllers are located within the motor's chassis. The shaft is removable, leading to a fully compliant motor and completely cogless operation. They are capable of a wide range of abilities across countless applications, including those requiring data logging. Data logging involves the capture and storage of data, typically for later use in data analysis. This is especially useful during testing and measurement. ORCA motors are smart. An ORCA motor is always aware of where its shaft is and where it's going. Instant data feedback allows for smooth control over various interfaces, including serial communication. In testing and measurement, it allows for real-time monitoring of the motor's temperature, power draw, force output, and position, all from within the motor's internal sensors. The simplest way to get started with logging data from your ORCA motor starts in IrisControls. The position mode and force mode pages in IrisControls feature live data plots in the middle of the page. Data from these plots can be saved directly to a text file. Operate the motor with the plot open, and when finished, right-click on the plot and select Save All Data, or select Save on specific data sets of interest. IrisControls will plot approximately the last 15 minutes of force and position data. For more flexible, higher resolution data logging, the orcaSDK provides a C++ or Python interface that allows you to integrate the ORCA motor into your application. Consult our SDK, linked on the downloads page of our website, for more information. The ORCA motor can also be used with MATLAB, LabVIEW, Modbus, or a PLC. In PID controller tuning, instant data feedback leads to greater safety in operating the motor, with the user allowed more control of overheating, exertion, and friction. To put it simply, ORCA series motors allow for data-driven decision-making and linear actuation. To learn more about ORCA series smart linear motors and data logging, visit the support page of our website. Reach out to our sales team today for a personalized demo.